Have you ever wondered about the reasons why we tend to go to extremes sometimes? What compels us to do so? This is so common that it even seems that people build massive companies, building a fortune, only to lose it all and go bankrupt. Some work so hard in finally having a warm, loving, passionate relationship with their partner, only to destroy it all and be single again. We've all experienced ourselves feeling weak at times, but we've also had experiences of us being strong, haven't we? Well, what compels us to shift from one extreme to the other is one unconscious feature that remains a secret in the world of self-development. I'm talking about a set of two polar opposite energies, imprinted deeply into our psyche, truly governing the vast majority of our thinking, feeling, and behavior. We are literally compelled to act according to them. While one polarity is pulling you towards its agenda, the other one is seemingly not even there. But the moment you go far enough away from the other, that other one starts pulling you back and you end up swinging from one side to the other, much like a pendulum would, from one extreme to the other. It's like in the relationship example where, let's say, one side stands for relationship and all the beauty that comes with having that, while the other stands for freedom and all the amazing things that freedom brings with it. So we crave to be in a relationship, but once we finally have it, we suffer from not having our freedom, which starts pulling us back to the point where we destroy the relationship that we built, and then, instead of enjoying our freedom, we suffer as we now, again, need the relationship. And it just keeps going on and on. It's a game where there's just no winning scenario for you. Because, you see, even if you accomplish one side, and that polarity gets satisfied in a way, it no longer pulls you. That's where the other side would really start pulling you back to it. All along, blissfully ignorant of this conflict as this push and pull game that you seem destined to play continues. That is, until you meet someone like me that can help you break that maddening pattern and set yourself free from it. I'm running an online live workshop called Polarities Integration, limited to 8 people only, to ensure a super intimate setting and for me to work with each attendant personally. Investment is far less than my regular workshops in person, so it should be a treat for anyone. If you want in, find the link somewhere on this page so that you can see the dates and timings and an even more detailed story about this process and what it entails. Make you move so that you can depolarize yourself and experience the world of congruency and Trinity. This was Robert, Integrating Polarities, Simic.